Hey guys, what's going on? Just going to take a quick look at XRP. Take it for this, obviously XRP, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. Before I get into it though, a couple things. First, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you leave the channel without doing that, you're probably going to have a hard time finding it again just because it's relatively new. Pretty low subscriber count, and because of that, I'm not really prioritizing the search algorithm. Also, if you want a place to trade XRP and pretty much any of the other coins I talk about on this channel, I put a link to 3 different exchanges in both the pinned comment and the description. So if you want to get some sign-up bonuses, check those out. And depending on your location, you may need a VPN to access them. So I also put a link to a VPN in the pinned comment and description as well. Okay, so in the last video I did on Ripple, actually I've covered this coin several times, and in the previous videos I showed you guys where to mark all these levels. Just a very quick recap here. I'm on a weekly time frame. I have this downsloping level of resistance that we recently broke out of. This could potentially still be in play if the price crashes back down, and you can look to this former level of resistance as a support. I think we're beyond that though. I think we are not going to make it all the way down here again. Now the horizontal lines, I recommend that you draw on your chart. Of course, this one's going to be huge. That's about around 93 cents, and just take a horizontal trend line, paste it at the top of these candle bodies right here. So you see it was resistance, came above it, it was support, came below it, resistance again, resistance here, and this is where the price most recently got rejected up here, and this is now currently going to be the target on the trade that I'm about to talk to you about. Okay, another level that I recommend that you draw on your chart, of course, is going to be right here. About around 59 cents, and that's based at the lows of these candle bodies right here. So this level was support right here, it was support briefly right here, and it is the current level of support that we just recently bounced off of. Beyond that, the next level down, if where we are right now breaks, is going to be right here, and that's around 53 cents. Mark that on your chart. Just take a horizontal trend line, paste it at the top of these candle bodies right here. So yeah, these are my key levels. Those are the key horizontal levels. There's a couple more actually. There's another one down here, as you can see, but yeah, if you want to draw this in your chart, you can just take a trend line right here. So rejection point here, support here, support here. So yeah, I mean, in order to come back down here, we're going to have a lot of confluence in the zone of support with this downsloping level of resistance, which will be the support, and obviously this horizontal level. Again, I don't think we're going to come back down there. That's all the way down at around 42 cents. I don't personally think it's happening. Okay, now also we have this upsloping level of support, which is still in play, and this is the level that I recently just bought off. Okay, so I'm going to change this down to the daily time frame, and you'll see it was support here, support here, support here, here, and yeah, we just pulled back to it right now. Okay, this upsloping level of support still in play, and when the price came below it, obviously broken support serves as a resistance level, so it was basically the rejection point here. Now at the time right here, I said that if we start closing daily candles above it, that's going to be my cue to go long. We closed about 4 or 5 daily candles above it. That's when I personally should have been accumulating. However, I got distracted. I wasn't looking at the chart, and yeah, I wasn't building my position here foolishly, and then we broke out. Now, when we broke out, this is around the time the last video I made, I said, well, I'm not going to buy here because I need a level of support to buy against so I can place my stop loss below it. And I said, if we continue up to my target, I'm likely going to miss out on it. However, if we get a pullback, this is the pullback that I said I was looking for, the pullback to this upsloping level of support. And now it's happened. Actually, we wicked down, the price wicked down to this horizontal level that I just mentioned to you, around 59 cents. A lot of buyers stepped in right here, and the daily candle was salvaged, and now we are still above it. So as long as we keep closing daily candles above this horizontal level of support, all is well. And I've entered right here. Okay, so now I'm in this trade. This is the pullback I was looking for, and where I would personally place my stop loss. Actually, I'm gonna map out this trade just to show you what kind of R&R this potential setup is. Okay, so I'll take the long position tool. So I entered around here, and my stop, I gotta check where I put it, but I would put it below this wick in this horizontal level of support, and my target on that is going to be all the way up here. So let's say about 44%. Obviously the target is actually up here, about 48% right at this previous rejection point. However, I would personally front run that a bit, okay, because a lot of people are going to be looking to sell here, so I want to get out just before. So let's put it 44%. Let's exit right here, slightly before. So this particular trade is going to give me an R&R, a risk-reward ratio of almost 1 to 7, meaning for every $1 I risk here, I could potentially get $7 to the upside. Okay, so in percentage terms, if the trade plays out, I'm going to make almost 44%, so 43.95, and I'm only risking 6.32% to get it. Now it's tricky here because the price could always sell off and then close back above here and get another wick down. Now when the price does come down and you get wicked out, it's very annoying. So if you don't want to set a stop loss in advance and just want to have a mental stop, I would say any daily candle close below this horizontal level of support, and I would expect the next level down to hit all the way down here at 53 cents, right? So what you don't want to see is daily candles closing below here. But as long as daily candles are closing above this horizontal level of support, everything is fine. Everything's healthy. We start closing daily candles below it, then you're going to have a tight range where this level is going to be the support, this level is going to be flipped to a resistance. But yeah, as long as the daily candles are closing above here, then I would look for further continuation to the upside, all the way up to the target that I mentioned. Let's take it back down to the back out to the weekly here. And yeah, we had about a month of basically nothing but up here. So this pullback is expected, pull back to the support. And yeah, I would look for further continuation. Anyway, just a quick update on XRP. If you found it helpful, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all if you want to get updates from me in the future. And I'm going to be trying to get more content out. I haven't been posting much over the last few days just because I went to Malaysia. But yeah, now I'm back in Thailand. I'm settled again, so I'm going to start trying to get at least 2 videos a day published for you guys. Also, again, if you want a place to trade XRP, check out the links in the pinned comment and description. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.